Hello guys, so in today's video I want to run some quick tests on this laptop. So here we have the TUF F15 from Asus. Now before I start any test, I want to say that this is my first ever laptop that I bought to mine crypto. So since March the TUF F15 in front of us has been mining 24/7 at its maximum potential. So I'm doing this video mostly because most of you asked if any performance occurs if the laptop is being damaged in any way for mining 24/7 in such a long period. So I'm going to do some benchmark tests to see if the performance is good, and we'll see afterwards what results do we have. Now I'm going to bring the telephone closer because if I screen record this test it will affect the results, because the software uses the GPU to record, so we will have smaller values on the results tab. So I'm going to quit any processes in the laptop, only run the benchmark tests, so we can get the best performance and results. Okay, I'm going to move a little closer. First, I want to show you my drivers and my GPU BIOS, because this being the first laptop, I did not make any updates. So this way it has the best performance for mining, because as you know, some updates are affecting the hash rate. So I have another laptop, a TUF F15, that has the latest drivers and is also mining, and I'm thinking to make another video with that TUF F15 and compare with the results of this one. Okay, first I'm going to show you the GPU BIOS. So as you can see, the BIOS version over here. So we have 9404 3D0047. Now this is the first BIOS version ever. The laptop came with this version. I downloaded it, and if any updates occurred, I downgraded to this version. So let's see the driver. Device manager. So 30X 3070. Okay, so the driver version is ending in 6173. Also, this is the first driver that came with this laptop. When I first installed the laptop and the Windows, I downloaded from NVIDIA official website this driver. Now I don't think you can find it anymore, but my luck is that I saved it. Okay, I'm going to run the FurMark, the user benchmark, and the 3D Mark. Now the 3D Mark focuses only on the dedicated GPU, the one that also uses for mining, and the other two also focus on the rest of the components. So let's start with the FurMark. Let's go. Okay, so I see we have a maximum frame per second of about 90. The GPU temperature is about 63 Celsius. So let's see the results. So we have 90 FPS. Let's compare your score. So the preset was 1080. So we are right about here. Now, I also tested other laptops. The AMD GPU is right where it has to be. Okay, so let's get to the other test. Now, this one is a little bit complex. It will bring a result on each component. Let's see if we can full screen this. Okay, so we have a little lag over here. It says keeping NVIDIA RTX 3070. So I don't know why, but this test relies only on the integrated GPU. So we have to play this game. Okay, so I want to see over here in the report, warning, skipping NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU, unable to locate attached display. Okay, I don't know why this happened. Let's move forward to the 3D Mark. Okay, first, okay, so even without the NVIDIA GPU, we have a nuclear submarine. So as a desktop, is very good. Good for gaming, good for workstation. Now, I tested Nitro 5 and ROG Strix G17. None of them gave me 100% on the desktop. So even without the GPU, the dedicated GPU, we still have incredible results over here. Now, as you can see, the graphics is the one that got us down. Now that's because we tested only on the integrated GPU. So we have an Intel E7 processor. That is great. It has a score of 88%. This is the integrated GPU that is not so great, almost poor, but nobody will play games with this one. So the SSD is great, the memory is great, so that's all. I'm going to scroll down, maybe there's something interesting for you. Okay, so let's move forward to the 3D Mark, which in my opinion is the best benchmark test. Okay, that was the first test. Now I think you might hear a noisy sound. Now the exhaust, the fans for the cooling of this GPU are starting to ramp up, so it's getting kind of noisy, but it has to cool down. Now this laptop is not the noisiest one I ever had. In my opinion, the Nitro 5 was the most noisy laptop. Now this one is acceptable. So let's see the other tests. So here we have over here 50 fps. Let's see if we can reach about 60 or 70. Now the Legion 5 Pro that I previously tested got to about 75 frames per second, but that one has the 140 watt version of the GPU. So I don't expect this one to go to that value. Oh, it got to 70, so quite good. Yep, it's kind of noisy, but it's a laptop. I hope you can see the values at the bottom. I think I will reduce the light a little bit so you can see it. Now, in my opinion, this laptop performs quite well, having in mind that it has the oldest drivers ever, and I've been mining about a year on this one. It really has good performance, but the test will speak after this. Okay, so we are approaching the last test. Now I expect that the overall value to be around 8,000 to 9,000, because I got 11,000 with the Legion 5 Pro, which had a better GPU. So this one should be just like Nitro 5 to about 8,000, but let's see. Okay, so we have 7,244. Now, as I can see, the graphics score is about 8,000. It's good, but the CPU score got us really down. So it's quite a big gap between those two. Now, I have tested a laptop that had Ryzen 7, and this one has i7. And as you can see, there is a big difference between a Ryzen 7 and i7 from Intel, as the Intel processor is less performant in the gaming. So that was unexpected for me. So here you can see the specs on this laptop. We have the NVIDIA RTX 3070. So the maximum FPS is about 53. Now I even saw about 70, but I think this is the medium value. So we had a temperature of about 70 Celsius, the maximum, and the CPU to about 64. So this having said, search a laptop with the Ryzen 7 processor. As you can see, the Intel processor is not so good for gaming, but the graphics score is quite good. Also have in mind that this GPU is the 100 version, so this score is next to the Nitro 5 that has the same GPU. So that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back with other tests on the other laptops. Have a good day. Bye.